Dear students, it has been very nice to get you online after a couple of days. You are welcome to my class. This is my profile. All the information to the left hand side, are about me. Students, guess what the picture is about. Can you supply any information about the picture? We see some forms of verb to the right hand side. So students, we are going to focus on the right form of verb today. On the right forms of verb today with rules and example. This is my last class on this topic. So that's why I will focus on other topics in my next classes in the days to come. Students, I have designed an exercise. Many questions are set here with different roles, and solution is also there. So let us see. Use the right form of verb within brackets. Question number A. On the return home, he had his meal. Role. Preposition plus verb ing. The verb following preposition will always be in continuous form. So the answer is missing. So the answer on returning home, he had his meal. On returning, the preposition plus verb ing. So the verb following preposition will always be in continuous form. Next, the question number B. The rain stopped before the guest came. Truly, you see two clauses are there. One clause before and the other clause after before. So the rule, first perfect tense, the clause before will always be in past perfect, and the clause after before will always be in past indefinite tense. So the students, the answer, the rain had stopped before the guest came. Next question number C. I wish I sing a song. Rule. Wish, fancy, as if, as though, plus verb first form. Students, after those words, wish, fancy, as if, as though, after those words, the verb will always be in first form. So that's why the answer, I wish I sang a folk song. Folk song means Lukogan. So the question number D. English speak all over the world. English speaks. If we write English speaks, then the expression, then the meaning is ইংরেজি ভাষা কথা বলে. So the expression is not right. So we must convert the sentence into passive mode. Role passive mode. So the answer, English is spoken all over the world. Present indefinite passive mode. Next slide. Question number E. 10 years have passed since I meet you. Role present tense before since and past indefinite after since. Two clauses will be there. So the answer, 10 years have passed since I met you. If there are two clauses before or after since, this rule is applicable. Question number F. Once upon a time there lived a pious king. Rule. Once upon a time plus clause first indefinite. If the clause once upon a time in the sentence will be in first indefinite tense. So the answer, once upon a time there lived a pious king. Next question. She as well as her friends be brilliant. Rule. Noun pronoun plus as well as noun pronoun plus verb to be determined by the previous noun or pronoun. Students, very important questions. If the phrase is as well as accompanied by along with is there is in the sentence, then the verb is to be determined by the preceding noun or pronoun. So the previous noun or pronoun here she, that's why verb is singular as she is singular. So the answer she as well as her friends is brilliant. This verb will not be determined by her friends. It will be determined by she. Next slide. Question number 8. I feel like weep. Rule. Like plus verb ing. The answer, I feel like weeping. The verb after like will always be in ing form. So students, next question. I am not used to tell lies. Used to plus verb ing. The answer is I am not used to telling lies. The verb after used to will also be in ing form. Next question. We enjoyed watching television. Rule. Verb plus verb ing. The last verb will be in ing form. The last verb will be in ing form. The answer, we enjoyed watching television. The verb follows another. If the verb follows another verb, then the following verb will be in ing form. So student, pair work. Some questions are there to the right hand side. During this pandemic time, you are staying home and not attending the class. That's why you have limited scope to manage your partner or classmate. So solve those questions. Yourself. Homework. Solve the previous year's exam question. Many questions are set in your book. Solve those questions of degree pass and honors which were set in the previous years on the National University. You have much time at home and you send your homework to me and I will send it back to you after second. So student, thank you. I left here before you with another class on WH question in the days to come. Bye.